It is not recommended to install only a 100 amp disconnect beside the unit. The correct approach is to install a 100 amp panel with a 100 amp 2-pole breaker for several reasons. Firstly, for safety. The panel provides a protected enclosure for the circuit breaker, making it less likely to come into contact with moisture or other hazards. Secondly, code compliance. Most electrical codes require a disconnect switch or panel to be installed within 50 feet of the air handler. A pull-out disconnect does not meet this requirement. Thirdly, serviceability. A panel allows for the easy addition of other circuits or components in the future, if necessary. A 100 amp panel with a 100 amp breaker is appropriate for a 4-ton heat pump furnace with a maximum breaker size of 90 amps. The panel and breaker provide 10% overcapacity, which is recommended for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment. Install the panel in a convenient and accessible location near the furnace unit. Connect the panel to the main electrical service using appropriate wire and conduit. Install the 100 amp 2-pole breaker in the panel. Connect the furnace unit to the panel using appropriate wire and conduit. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. This configuration will provide a safe and efficient electrical supply for your heat pump furnace and meet electrical code requirements.